Hi friends, today I would like to give you some information on parts of speech. Before going to the topic, let me say what is a sentence. Sentence is a group of meaningful words. Without the words, the sentence cannot give a complete sense. These words in the sentence are divided into 8 parts according to their uses. They are called parts of speech. We'll see now about them. So watch my video till the end to get the clear information about it. Let's go to the topic parts of speech. Words are divided into 8 parts according to their uses in a sentence. They are noun, pronoun, verb, adjective, adverb, preposition, conjunction, and interjection. Now we will see one by one in detail. Let's see the first one, noun. What is a noun? Noun is a naming word. It represents the names of persons, places and things. We'll see the examples. Names of persons means we can say Lakshmi, Kavita, etc. Names of places, school, temple, Mount Abu, church. And names of things, table, computer, pen, etc. Now we will see them in sentences. Now let's see some sentences. Lakshmi is a teacher. In this sentence, Lakshmi, teacher, both are nouns. Why? They refer to person. Next sentence, cat is jumping over the wall. In this sentence, cat, it refers to an animal, and the wall, it refers to a lifeless object. It refers to a thing. That's why these two are called nouns. The next one, Delhi is the capital city of our country. In this sentence, Delhi and country both are called nouns. Delhi is the proper noun and country is the common noun. We'll see the classification of nouns in the next video. Next one, my pen is on the table. Here, pen, table both are nouns. These refer to things. Pronoun. What is the pronoun? The word which is used in the place of a noun is called pronoun. Let's see some examples. He, she, it, they, I, we, him, her. These are all called pronouns. Let's see about it clearly. John is my student. John studies well. John never absent to school. John always gets first rank in class. In these sentences, we repeated the word John so many times. Instead of repeating the word John in the place of John, second time we can use the word he. The word he is known as pronoun here. Do you know how many persons we have in English? 3. First person, second person, third person. First person I, we. Second person you. Third person he, she, it, they. These are all called pronouns. Okay, now what's the next one? Verb. What is a verb? A verb is a word which is used to express an action or state. Means usually all the verbs are action words. Actions means here I am teaching. What you are doing? You are listening. Teaching, listening, talking. Okay, thinking, working. These are all called verbs. We'll see some examples now in a sentences. He plays cricket. Here in this sentence, what is the verb? Plays. Why? It denotes an action. Okay, the next word, she is a doctor. In this sentence, is a verb. Why? It shows the state of her. That's why here is called a verb. Okay, till now we have covered noun, pronoun. Okay, now let's go to the topic adjective. What is an adjective? Adjective is a word which describes the noun. It tells the kind or quantity of a noun. Okay, basically adjectives, they describe nouns. It shows the quality of a noun. Okay, now see some sentences. Gopal is a good boy. He saw a white horse. In this sentence, good, it describes the boy. It shows the quality of a boy. That's why it is an adjective. And the next one, he saw a white horse. Okay, here it describes the horse. White describes the horse. That's why white is also an adjective. The next one, he is lazy. Okay, lazy, it describes the person. Here it describes him. That's why lazy is an adjective. Next one, I have 3 pencils. Here 3 is an adjective. Why? It tells us the quantity. How many pencils I have. That's why it is an adjective. The next one is, he is an honest police officer. Okay, what kind of a man he is? He is an honest police officer. He is an honest person. That's why here honest is also an adjective. Okay, let us go to the next topic. Okay, now let's see what is an adverb. It is a word which modifies and adds something to the verb, adjective or another adverb in a sentence. Okay, what it is? Adverb. Okay, adverb is a word, it modifies and adds something to the verb, adjective and another adverb in a sentence. Let's see some examples. The boys spoke loudly. Okay, in this sentence, loudly is an adverb. Why? It modifies the verb spoke. How the boys spoke? The boys spoke loudly. Here spoke is the verb. It modifies the verb spoke. That's why it is called an adverb. The next one, the girl sings melodiously. How the girl sings? Melodiously. Here melodiously is an adverb. It modifies the verb sings. Next one, he is quite right. Okay, here right is an adjective. How much he is right? He is quite right. Means completely he is right. Here it modifies an adjective right. That's why it's also called an adverb. The boy walks slowly up. How the boy walks? He walks slowly. Okay. Again here it modifies the verb walks. Means the word which modifies and adds something to the verb, adjective or another adverb in a sentence is called adverb. Now we'll see preposition. Preposition is a word which shows the relation between a noun or pronoun and some other word in a sentence. The noun or pronoun said to be the object of preposition. Okay. It shows the relationship between a noun or pronoun and some other word in a sentence. We will see in sentences. The book is on the desk. Here in this sentence, the word on is preposition. Why? It shows the relationship between the book and the desk. Okay. I saw him at the station. Okay. I saw him at the station. Here at is preposition. Here shows the relationship between the pronoun him. Okay, and the noun is station. The next one, I am loved by him. Here by is preposition. And the boys go home after school. Okay, here after is preposition. It shows the relationship between school and home. We see with our eyes. Okay, with is the preposition. It shows the relationship between our eyes and we. Let's see the next one, conjunction. What is a conjunction? It is a joining word. It is a word which joins two sentences or two words. Okay, the conjunctions are all joining words. Now let us see some examples. He works hard but he failed. In this sentence, what is the joining word but? It joins the two sentences. He works hard, he failed. That's why here Conjunction is but. Next one, Lakshmi and Sita are friends. Okay, here the conjunction is and. It joins two words Lakshmi and Sita. Lakshmi, Sita. These two are joined with this word and. I like neither coffee nor tea. Here neither and nor both are conjunctions. Means I don't like coffee and tea. Both. Okay, in that sense we can use neither nor. Which one do you like most, coffee or tea? Here or is conjunction. It joins the two words coffee, tea. Okay, now we'll see the last one, interjection. What is an interjection? An interjection is a word which is used to express a sudden strong emotion or feeling. Okay, this word interjection is used to express sudden strong feelings. Now we'll see the sentences. Hooray! I won the gold medal. Here in this sentence, hooray is an interjection. Means when we are feeling happy or sad, we will get some sounds, those expressions are said to be interjection. Okay, the next sentence, oh, what a beautiful flower it is. Here by looking at the flower, they are feeling surprise. That's why the expression oh is here an interjection. The next one, alas, he lost the match. Alas is an interjection. Okay, it shows the unhappiness of the person who lost the match. I hope you got a basic idea of this topic parts of speech. Let us learn about this topic in detail in my next video. Thank you.